basking in the glory of our success, do not sit or achieve lawnless, but tirelessly work to touch the zenith. I would like to quote lines of poem, Stopping by Wooderson and Snowing Evening, written by Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. On this joyous occasion of our Elevate Annual Day celebration, we assure you of our continued commitment to the cause of education and evoke the blessings of the Almighty to enable us to continue the tradition of excellence in all our pursuits. I once again thank you so, the guests, parents, for being with us in this evening. Thank you and have a wonderful day celebration. I ask Aisha to continue with that. Thank you, parents.
A very huge round of applause for our HM ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for beautifully presenting the annual report and reminding us of a year filled with growth, effort, and accomplishments. Once again, huge round of applause for HM ma'am for taking us through the journey of this academic year. Parents, I can't hear the clapping sound. Sophian school parents should be very energetic like the Sophians. Let us continue our today's cultural journey. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready as tradition meets confidence and culture meets style. The ramp is set to come alive with colors, grace and heritage. Culture is not just owned, it is carried with pride, and today our students of class 4 are presenting on the stage the ramp walk on cultural heritage. Please welcome them with a round of applause.
सीखते रहे, बढ़ते रहे हर साल, सीखते रहे, बढ़ते रहे हर साल, सफलता ने थामा अपना दामन बेमिसाल। सीखते रहे, बढ़ते रहे हर साल, सफलता ने थामा अपना दामन बेमिसाल। आज जश्न का है सुहाना मुकाम, खुशियों से भरा एनुअल डे एलिवेट के नाम। Remember this, and I want everybody to give a round of applause for Tiny Tots here. With the beautiful Rajasthani costume. It is like after seeing them we feel also colorful movements.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Aliza Sanya from grade 4. They are representing the character of Karnataka. Karnataka is prominent state in South India, known as the Silicon and a major biotechnology and aerospace. The state Karnataka boasts a rich 2000-year history. Karnataka is 7th largest state, one of India's highest waterfall located on Karnataka. Karnataka is often referred to as the Garden State and the land of sandalwood. Thank you. They are representing the character of Assam. Assam is the gateway to Northeast India. Assam is a state defined by the Brahmaputra river, lusty gardens and rich biodiversity, including the one-horned rhinoceros, oil and natural gas. It is the land of red rivers and blue hills. It is the key biodiversity spots include the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Assam has the site Asia. Thank you.
ಅದೊಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
They are representing the character of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is premier wealthy state known as a major industrial, agricultural and cultural hub. Maharashtra, often referred to as the gateway of India, is one of the country's most developed and popular states. Maharashtra is a leader in manufacturing, trade and commerce. It is famously known as the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Maharashtra is blend of traditional and modernity, serving as a pillar of India's economic growth. Thank you. They are representing the character of Punjab. Punjab is known as the land of five rivers in northwest India. Punjab is the birthplace of Sikhs and home to the Golden Temple. It is known for its high energy, rich traditions and warm hospitality. Punjab is the greenery of India, playing a vital role in the country's green revolution. Punjab is the beautiful place full of culture and traditions. Agriculture is the main occupation of people in Punjab, highly in rice, wheat and other crops. Thank you. They are representing the character of Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country, is a breathtaking state on Indian southwestern, renowned for its high literacy rates, greenery and backwaters. Kerala is famous for Ayurveda spices, traditional dance like Kathakali. Kerala is spy garden of India. Kerala stands out in India its remarkable achievements in social development. Thank you everyone.
Unity in diversity. A big round of applause for India, where we are called as Indians. I request Sanjay to join for the photo.
Center. Okay, thank you. Wait. Done, dear. Done.
Let us applaud not just the outfits but the pride with which they were worn. May we always walk forward carrying our culture with confidence and respect. Give a huge round of applause for our 4th standard students.